All right, they're working. Is there a road or is it just grass?
It's just grass.
Oh, I see him now. Oh. You know, I don't know if they'll come right at this truck or not. I don't know if we are to. If y'all back out of here once we. We got two big long bears strutting with some hens. And we're just gonna go right at it and use this grass and this higher vegetation to see if we can't manipulate them with a call or decoy. Did they? Where at it? Straight ahead. There it goes. Yeah, I'm looking at him. He's coming. Both of them are coming. See him going? Yeah. Okay. They're both long beards. All right, doubled up with my man Brad. In about, what, 10 steps?
Oh my gosh, that was freaking awesome.
Right there, bro.
That was awesome.
Good job, Cole.
Good job, man. That was so fun, dude. I never get tired of that.
Bird dead. And one shell left over for Eric.
Oh, yeah. I got... Woo-wee. Oh,
yeah, you let him have it right there, buddy. He ain't got no spur.
No. One. Hot
spur.
dog, man, Brad. All right, man. This is a good way to get this thing started this morning. First morning. And we have been on them, son. 3 dead turkeys. And definitely almost could have had nothing. Big E missed one earlier. But that's... My goodness. He got it hard.
He got it real hard.
Both of them, son. Was that awesome or what, man?
Oh, man.
Man, you gotta love this Osceola hunting. Sun coming out, we want to make us a tomato sandwich, take a nap. Can't stop the flop, baby. That's the way to get it started. That was a good morning. It's fun when they work good like that and have attitude and aggressive. You know, that shows why a lot of turkeys, you think they're decoy shy, you know, but some turkeys, they'll see them turkeys decoys, but what a vicious world they live in. I mean, you think about it, these turkeys, when they see another intruder, you think about the wild. I mean, dude, we're gonna murder you right now. It's over. We don't like the way you look. We don't like the way you're not gonna breed any hens. And this is my brother, and you're not gonna be hanging. And I'm gonna come in and whoop you. And then the brother gets shot. Show you how brutal it is. The brother gets shot, and he always says, Wait a minute. That son of a gun, I've been wanting to, he's just been getting it all anyway, and I'm gonna freaking kill him too. Just more from me, more grasshoppers and more hens. And so yeah, when people think they got it bad, just pay attention to the wild. It's brutal out here. And when you understand the brutality of it, you can manipulate them.
To watch more, go to My Outdoor TV.